Good morning, everyone. This is Emma. Today is Monday, and it's Coloring Party Monday with Friends. It is hosted by Grandma Sandy. So come along with me as I show you my colorings for Monday. I'm going to start here with the one that I started last week that I showed to you. I have finished it. It says, "The truth of the Lord endures forever." And I did go ahead and finish this one up. My next one is, "I prayed to the Lord and he answered me." And this one is done like with a pencil instead of a coloring pen. I used to actually do this all the time till I started my YouTube channel. And once I did that, I didn't do my coloring as much. But it's so soothing. So if you haven't tried it, it may be something you want to try. Now, the third one is going to be one that I had done for the Christmas last year, but I thought I would show it to you because I really enjoyed doing this one. And I thought I would do something different. You know me, so I painted the house black. And this coloring book is called Home Exterior Coloring Book. And it's by Jade Summer. Now, I purchased this one from Amazon. And the Palms coloring book, I purchased that one from Walmart. And as I said, this is really soothing and relaxing. And you don't have to be perfect at it. Just give it a try. If it relaxes you, then it's worth you trying it. I want to thank Grandma Sandy for inviting me to be a part of her Coloring Monday. And the design family, I want to thank you for joining in with me today on Coloring Monday. And if you're not a part of the design family, I ask you hit that like, subscribe, and comment, and come along and be a part of our family. This is Emma. I will be seeing you in my next video.